So guys, this new actor I'm just training, he's struggling. His name is John Abraham. To show you, I'm going to push him.
Come on, John, you know, pump that bicep. I don't know what the hell are you doing, man. Harder, come on, just pick it up. What's that form? The form is wrong, John. Just...
So guys, this new actor I'm just training, he's struggling. His name is John Abraham. To show you, I'm going to push him.
Come on, John, you know, pump that bicep. I don't know what the hell are you doing, man. Harder, come on, just pick it up. What's that form? The form is wrong, John. Just...
Even as an actor, you know, there are certain stereotypes that come with being an actor, but I believe that you must lead by lifestyle. So it's important that people understand the way I live rather than the way I look. And I think everybody sitting here is a pioneer, is an example for the way you should go ahead and lead your lifestyle. So everybody out there, just stay healthy, eat healthy. And that's the one New Year message I gave out on my Instagram. I usually rarely give messages. I said, I'm getting up on the New Year morning and I'm doing a banging workout. And that's all I'm going to do. And I'm going to stay healthy and eat healthy. And that should be a resolution for everyone. And what better way to start that than with a Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon. It's fantastic. So congratulations to everyone here. Everyone here, they're fantastic.
Okay guys, sorry lost you for a second. And you're great, you've got me on right now. Yeah, you can turn it around. Okay, great. So we've got the music off now and I've got you guys in the house. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through each of my body workouts. For example, like I always say, legs are very important. So if you see this, which is this, you see, it's important to work your legs. Very important. It's not just about your biceps. It's about your core, your abs, your dietary habits. It's about sleep. It's about doing things in limitation. I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't do drugs, but it's important to tell each one of you that it's important to lead a healthy lifestyle. And I don't want to be a model here, I don't want to pose here for you guys, but I want to be a role model, and I want to see if we can all train together. I'd love to answer questions that you have. I'd love to learn with you guys because I'm still learning. I'm probably 20% of what I really want to be. So I've got to reach that 100%. A lot of people wonder that does John Abraham just lift weights? I'm 6 feet 1 inch tall. That's pretty tall. That's 183 centimeters. I weigh in at about 94 kilos. So I'm probably 20 to 25 kilos heavier than the average person around, and that makes me big. Now, what's important for me is little things like, you know, just lifting your body weight. So if you're like this, it's important that you could lift yourself and talk, you know, because if you can do this, that means you've got some amount of core strength, and you can go on and on. So, guys, this is the first time. It's going to be a fun time moment. I'd like to come here guys, I just want to show you around. So this is my lounge area. This is where I sit after my workouts, and this is my bicycle, and this is Neha. Neha doesn't work out, she just wears gym clothes, and she needs to work out. Here, Neha, take this. She needs to work out a bit, and because she's working with me, I've told her that she needs to really work out, and everybody around me needs to work out and just stay fit. This is where I live. That's Bandstand. This is the Arabian Sea. And this is a popular area in Bombay. But for me, it's important that I look out once in a way, but concentrate on what's happening in here, in the gym. And I just want you guys to know that even if I shoot at 7 in the morning, I get up and I train at 5. If I shoot at 5 in the morning, I train at 4. So I don't cheat on a training day, and I don't cheat on food. There's no cheating on food. I've not cheated on food since the past, I don't know, 10, 14, 15 years. I've been very strict with my diet. The last time I had an aerated drink was probably 23 years ago. So you can understand where I come from. But I want each one of you to kind of hang in there with me, and we'll plan workouts for us so we can all enjoy together, and I can come back and show you how I'm going to push this forward with you guys. So hang in there, Sparta!
Good evening, John.
Sumit, good evening. Yes. पूछिए.
Yeah, John, one step ahead. What's your one step ahead in the new year?
जी कोशिश यही करूँगा कि अगर हम फिल्म्स की बात करें तो यही कोशिश करूँगा कि वी गेट गुड फिल्म्स आउट. मैं एक प्रोड्यूसर भी हूँ, एक एक्टर भी हूँ. कोशिश यही रहेगी कि आप लोगों को एंटरटेन करूँगा, बट नॉट विद प्रपोजल्स, विद फिल्म्स. और ऑन द पर्सनल फ्रंट मेरी ख्वाहिश यही है कि और मैं हर आदमी को यही कहता हूँ कि जैसे आप मंदिर, मस्जिद, चर्च, इन जगहों पे आप जाते हो, वैसे मेक योर रिलीजन योर फिटनेस. और यही सोचे कि आपका जो जिम है, आपका जो वर्कआउट एरिया है, वो आपका मंदिर, मस्जिद या चर्च है. वो सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ है. एंड योर बॉडी इज़ योर टेम्पल. सो प्रे टू योर बॉडी एंड वर्कआउट. तो मैं यही ख्वाहिश करूँगा अपने लोगों से.
जॉन, एक चीज,
हाँ
थोड़ा सा मतलब बैकग्राउंड वाला. John, was you are looking more lean and you have lost weight. Am I right in this way?
जी मैं फिल्म के लिए वेट लूज कर रहा हूँ. तो 10 किलो मैंने अभी कम किया. अभी 10 किलो और रिड्यूस कर रहा हूँ मैं. सो आई स्टार्ट शूटिंग इन अप्रैल एंड आई हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी लीन एंड लुक लाइक यू, सुमित.
Which film, sir?
So this is something that we are planning on doing. So it's just that I have to be lean, or Force 3 is happening at the end of the year, so I still got time for it. लेकिन उसके पहले for the role I have to be really really lean. So I'm losing I'm losing grams and kilos by the day.
Sir, which film, sir?
Something I'm planning right now.
Okay, thank you so much.
T-shirt के साथ, sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sumit. Always a pleasure talking to you. You're a wonderful guy. Really, he's a fantastic guy. The good man.